In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Amtrak discount promo codes in 2026. To get started, open Amtrak's website on the home page. This is where you'll enter your trip details and apply any eligible discount information before searching for fares. Starting from the main booking form is important because it helps make sure your pricing reflects the options you choose right from the beginning. Once you're on the site, select a one-way trip. This option appears in the trip search area, and choosing it sets up the booking flow for a single direction journey. Make sure this is selected first so the rest of the form matches the type of trip you want to book. Next, enter your departure city in the From field. Type in the station, city, or location where your trip will begin and then choose the correct option from the dropdown if it appears. It's a good idea to double check the station name here, especially if your city has more than one stop. After that, choose your depart date. Click into the date field and select the day you plan to travel. Picking the correct date matters because available fares, schedules, and discounts can all vary depending on when you're traveling. Then select the return date. Even though the trip type is set to one way in this example, follow the on-screen booking form as shown and choose the date field as needed. Just be sure your dates match what you intend to search so you don't end up reviewing the wrong fare options. Now go to the Travelers section and click the drop-down. This opens the area where you can adjust the number of passengers and access discount-related settings. If you don't open this section, you may not see the fields needed for promo codes or passenger-specific discounts. From there, add the number of travelers for your booking. Increase or decrease the count so it matches exactly how many people will be riding. This helps Amtrak display the correct pricing and available discount combinations. Next, go to the discount section within the Traveler menu. This is the area where discount options are typically managed, so take a moment to review what's available before moving on. In the adult passenger type area, enter your promo code in the promo code field. Use your valid Amtrak discount or coupon code carefully and make sure it's entered exactly as provided, since even a small typo can prevent it from applying correctly. If you're not using a promo code, you can instead select a passenger type directly, such as senior, military, or child. This is useful because some Amtrak discounts are built into the fare finder and don't require a separate code at all. After making your selection, you'll be ready to continue with the fare search and review the available discounted ticket options.